Crayola invites you to celebrate creativity. Welcome to Create to Learn Projects, STEAM. Imitate nature's solutions. Nature solves problems in surprising and inventive ways. Humans can learn from nature's time-tested solutions as we develop clever and sustainable ideas for real-world problems. In this activity, you and a group of friends will create and play a card game that pairs natural solutions with real-world problems. You will need erasable colored pencils, crayons, markers, index cards or cardstock in 2 different colors, scissors. Create! Today, you will design an innovation card game inspired by nature. Start by creating at least 24 color-coded cards. On one set of cards, sketch symbols and words that show one real-world problem per card. On the other set of cards, sketch or write possible solutions that come from plants, animals, and the environment. Next, label the back of the cards by type, either problem opportunity or natural inspiration. Now, turn them sketched side down and randomly pull a card from each set to form unlikely pairs. Connect! To play the game, team members help each other figure out ways to connect a card from each set to describe a STEAM problem and possible solution. You can trade cards with other players and research topics to learn more about natural solutions. Imitating nature is a great way to solve problems. How could studying bees help humans build stronger structures? How do desert creatures store water, and could people use this to solve water shortages during droughts? Present! After everyone has matched the cards and researched natural solutions to today's problems, present your ideas to other STEAM teams or family members. Respond! Respond to others' ideas with enthusiasm and additional suggestions. Sketch ideas to help others see what you are thinking. Nature is an outstanding problem solver. To create everything imaginable, STEAM teams observe and imitate nature's elegant solutions.